Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're on this Friday. It's almost weekend. Friday usually is a good day for all of you, so I hope it's treating you right. In this video, we'll take a look at Gala. We'll see if that will also treat us right this weekend. Because so far it's been pretty boring the last couple of days for Gala. We've had some bearish moves. We've recovered from those bearish moves, and right now we're falling a bit together with the entire market. So just wanted to give you my thoughts on that. Can we actually rally soon? What's happening in general? Should you buy Gala? What are some important levels? All of that will be discussed in this video. I'll try to prepare you as well as possible. But before we do that, if you want to receive daily trading signals and join my trading signal group, check out the links down in the description. If you join those, there are instructions on how to join. So definitely check that out. But for now, let's get into Gala. So for Gala specifically, not a lot has been happening, all right? Volume is high, but the volume, if you compare it over the last month, is not exceptional right now. The volume has been around 150 million for basically the last 30 days. And at the beginning of the year, it was way higher. So it's around 165 million. I expect that to drop down even more in the weekend. That usually happens. Sometimes you get quite big moves at the start of the weekend, so then it will not happen, but overall it does. But so Gala itself, what you can see right now, I would argue if we start off with market structure, which I think is one of the most important things to determine at the start, I think we're fairly consolidating. We're moving in a range which you cannot really see in the price. I mean, you could argue, which is a bit of a stretch, but you could argue that we're in this consolidation and we had one massive fake out. I don't think that's true, but altogether you can see that the EMAs, which are all of those colored waving lines, are in the middle of the price. Usually that indicates that the average price is somewhat stable. Those are exponential moving averages, so it's not 100% correct, but still. We're not finding support at the 200 EMA and the 100 EMA either, which are very strong support levels normally, which suggests to me that we are confirming some sort of a consolidating pattern, which would mean right now for Gala. First of all, it's very correlated with Bitcoin. So if you want to take a look at Gala, you have to take a look at Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin is finding support now, but altogether it does look like we'll drop down lower from that resistance at 28,700. So I think for Gala the same is happening. I think we'll drop down to our major support level around 4 cents and 3.9. But that's also the positive side of a consolidation. I think from there we will find support and kind of consolidate between 4.3 and 3.9. And then a little bit of good news. It does look like, even though Bitcoin is dropping a bit now, it does look like it's still technically, but also fundamentally very bullish. So I think there's a chance this weekend that Bitcoin can break out, get up to 30,000, and that would obviously be bullish for Gala as well. I think we'll break above 4.3 then, at least rally up to 4.6, but I think there's a fair chance to actually rally all the way up to 4.8 and 4.9 again. But if that happens, when that's happening, I'll try to update you and update you as soon as possible, and I'll just monitor the situation as much as possible as well. So for now, it's pretty boring with Gala. Still wanted to make an update because I know a lot of you trade it and hold it all together. But yeah, that's my take on Gala for this morning. So if you have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.